So now we are through with the chapter and we'll take up the quiz. Let's see how much you remember. Which year is known as the year of Great Divide? Which was the year which was known as the year of Great Divide? First, why was it called as the year of Great Divide? Because it was only after that year that the population had started increasing. And it was in that year that the population growth was negative. And it was in the year 1921. After this year, the population increased. And it was in this year that there was a negative growth rate of population. That is, the death rate was high and the birth rate was low. Increase in population can be caused by, what are the reasons for the increase in population? High birth rate, low death rate, immigration. All these things are responsible for increase in population. So the answer would be all of the above. Over the years, birth rate in India has dash and death rate has dash. In the initial years, the birth rate had increased, but over the years, we can say that the birth rate has also fallen and death rate has also fallen. What is the approximate life expectancy of the people in India? What is the average age of an Indian? It is around 66 years of age. The National Population Policy was introduced in the year 2000. According to 2011 census, how much percent of people lived in rural areas? Nearly 72% of our population lives in rural areas. Around dash percent of population is in the age group of 15 to 64. At the moment, nearly 63% of our population is in this working age group. India's population recorded the maximum growth rate of 2.2% during the decade. In which decade we were the maximum? It was in the year 1971 to 81. The growth rate was maximum. The family planning scheme was introduced in which year? It was introduced in 1966. Infant mortality rate is lowest in, we know it is in Kerala. Kerala is the one in which the literacy ratio is highest, sex ratio is highest, and infant mortality rate is lowest. Life expectancy of birth in India in 2011 is, what is the average age of an Indian when an Indian is born? How much do we expect his life to be? It is 66 years of age. If population is above 2% from previous year, then what is the reason for this? Fall in death rate, increase in birth rate, increase in death rate and fall in birth rate, both fall in death rate and increase in birth rate. Now if you see all the options, population may have increased because of fall in death rate, yes. It may have increased because of increase in birth rate, yes. Increase in death rate and fall in birth rate. When death rate is increasing and fall in birth rate, the population cannot increase. So this is the option which is completely wrong. Now both fall in death rate and increase in birth rate. This is the reason why the population increases. Death rate is falling and birth rate is increasing. Working population refers to the people in the age group of 15 years to 64 years. Population explosion occurs due to, we had studied this in demographic transition. When there is low death rate and high birth rate, then population explosion occurs. Density of population is lowest in Arunachal Pradesh. In northeastern states, the population is less. According to 2011 census of India, the state having highest urban population. Now pay attention, highest population is in Uttar Pradesh, but urban population is maximum in Maharashtra. The density of population in India according to 2011 census is the number of people living in per square kilometers. It is 382 persons per square kilometer. Census of population is done in India at an interval of At every 10 years, census is done. So the census of population is done in 10 years. Which of the following is the reason for increase in birth rate in India? In an agrarian economy, children are considered as assets but not burden because children help in agriculture field. In India, by the age of 50 years, only 5 out of 1,000 Indian women remain unmarried. And all these reasons are responsible for increase in birth rate. The ratio of female to male in 2011 was lowest in which state? You all know the problem of sex ratio is most in Haryana.